Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create a shared family task list in Todoist, the complete 2025 guide. First up, sign into your Todoist account. If you don't have one, go ahead and create one. Now, why do this? It's simple. Todoist is an incredible tool for managing and sharing tasks, and signing in is the first step to unlocking these benefits. Next up, once you're logged in, click on the plus button on the top right corner of your screen. Then select Create New Project. This helps us because it's the foundation for our shared list. Name your project something like Family Tasks. Now, let me explain why this matters. By creating a project, you are setting up a dedicated space for your family's tasks. This keeps everything organized and easy to find. Once you've named your project, you'll want to start adding tasks. You can do this by clicking on Add Task in your project view. Think about the chores, appointments, or reminders you want your family to keep track of. The reason we do this is so each family member knows what they need to do and when. Next up is sharing your project. Click on the Share icon on the top right of the project view and type in the email addresses of your family members. They'll get an invitation, and once they accept, they'll have access to the task list. This helps us because it ensures everyone in the family can view and update the list. Finally, encourage your family to download the Todoist app on their phones so they can access the list anytime, anywhere. This is crucial because it maximizes the utility of Todoist as a mobile tool. In conclusion, you've just learned how to create a shared family task list in Todoist. By following these steps, you can keep your family organized and on the same page. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay productive.